How to add a custom color on Instagram story. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change background in Instagram story. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you get here, all you have to do now is find the section by swiping right on your screen. And then right here, you'll find the gallery icon at the bottom. So tap on it. It will open up your gallery. Now choose the photo that you want to add to your story. So, alright, let's say I want this one. It has automatically created a bluish, purplish background because of the photo. So what you can do is just zoom out of the photo. You could have a custom color picker. So let me just select a different image from here. Alright, so let me just choose this picture right here of Spider-Man. If I just zoom out, it has created a kind of gradient background, but let's say if I want a plain background, what I can do is tap on the three lines at the top right, click on draw, and then you could choose color from the image itself. So let's say if I want a bright red color, I can pick that. So if I just tap on color picker and then go here, I should be able to select this color, tap and hold on to the screen, and it will automatically create that background for you. Now you can tap on stickers icon, click on photos to add your picture. Now just go ahead and select this. Now you could just go ahead and resize it. If you tap on it, it will show you how it's gonna look. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is and then tap on done. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.